Hello everyone, my name is Durgesh Shukla and I am an office administration trainer at ICICI Foundation. In this video, we will look at how to book a hotel room. Let's book hotel room. Now for that you have to select the option of hotels. Now you will search for the location that you need the hotel. So I'll search for Andheri, that is in Mumbai. Now the checking date is of 10th of November and checkout date would be of 13th of November. Traveler is only one, so I'll deduct one person, so there is total one traveler with one room. Now I'll click on search hotels. After clicking on search hotels, you will get various lists of hotels that are available in Andheri location. So you can see there is a list of hotels. Now you can choose any of the hotels as per your convenience. So first of all, I'll go for this hotel. Now after clicking on that hotel, you will get to know the details of it, such as images you can see. So you can check the ambience of the restaurant or the hotel. You can see its overall rating. Checking time here is of 12 p.m. and that is same of checkout. Here you can see the facilities that are provided by the hotel and the various landmarks nearby it. Now I have already selected the date of checking and checkout and the person that is going to travel, number of people that are going to stay in the hotel. Now in that too also you will get various options. You can see here one is of single occupancy and another one is of double occupancy. So in this situation there is no requirement of double occupancy, so we'll go for single occupancy and we'll click on book now. So after clicking on book now, it will give you, or it will get to the page of payment. So again, before booking or making the payment, you will have to review your booking. You have to check that all the details that you have selected is correct or not. You can see that there are various promo codes that are available for this offer. Now again, I will have to enter the traveler's detail. Here I cannot make any changes in the contact details. So all the tickets or the details that I will receive in my website, that I have to forward it to the traveler, the person who is going to travel. Now again, here I have to mention the person who will be the guest or who is going to stay in the hotel. If you have any special request, you can mention here. Right now I don't want to enter anything, so I'll click on continue. So once you will click on continue, it will take you to the payment page. Here also we are getting lots and lots of options to make the payment. Again, I'll go for net banking, choose my bank and click on pay now. After clicking on pay now, it will go to my bank's net banking site here. After making the payment, rooms will be reserved. This is how you can book your rooms in hotel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.